Hi everybody, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Math Tonic. My name is Mr. Papitra, your math teacher. Today we are going to discuss how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. So let's start. On the screen you can see that I have this question that 5x plus 3y is equal to 41 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 20. Here we have two equations and we have to find out the value of x and y. That means we have to solve these two equations so that we will have values of x and y. And yes, I am going to use elimination method. The method I am going to use here, that is called elimination method. First of all, whenever you're trying to apply this method, we have to understand what rules or what facts we should keep it in your mind. First thing that, please check the coefficients. First you have to check coefficients. Coefficient means what? See, in elimination method, I have two ways. Means I can eliminate x variable or I can eliminate y variable. So in this equation, see, I can eliminate this 5x and 2x or I can eliminate this 3y and 3y. Okay, I have two choices. I can eliminate any one so that I can get the value of other. So first of all, you have to check the coefficient. In this coefficient, two kind of option I'll get. What? They'll have the same coefficient or they will have the different coefficient. Okay, they'll have the same coefficient or they'll have the different coefficient. So if your coefficients of any variable is same, then your job is very easy to solve these two equations. Again, I'm saying whenever you're trying to find out the value of x and y in simultaneous equation using elimination method, first thing is that please check the coefficient, right? So two cases you will get it. First case, you'll have the same coefficient of a particular variable, or you may have different coefficient for that particular variable. Okay, if you have same coefficient for the particular variable, then I'm telling you your half job is done. That means you are lucky to have this question. That means you will easily solve that question. Okay, now see, in this question if you see that coefficient of 5 means coefficient of x is 5 here, coefficient of x is 2 here. Definitely I can say the coefficient of x is different here, that is 5 and 2. But in here, see, the coefficient of y is 3 and coefficient of y is 3 in this two equation. That means my coefficients of y is same here. As I told you, if your coefficient is same, definitely your half job is done. Now see, what I have to do now. Here, two coefficients of y we have. One is plus 3 and one is plus 3. So in this case, what I have to do is, I'm writing the equation again. 5x plus 3y is equal to 41. It is 2x plus 3y is equal to 20. Okay, now see. So when the particular variable has the same coefficients, try to eliminate that variable. That will be easy for you to solve this equation. See, now see, we have two same signs. Here we have plus 3. Here also we have plus 3. So do one thing, I can subtract these two equations. Again, I'm saying if you have same sign, right, then you can subtract, because if you subtract, automatically the sign will change. See, if I try to subtract these two equations, the bottom equation, right, the sign of each term will change. See, it was plus 2x, so it will become minus 2x, it will become minus 3y, and it will become minus 20. Again, I'm saying here we have plus 3y plus 3y, the same sign I have, right? So that I have to eliminate this 3y and 3y. So I have to subtract these two equations. And when you subtract these two equations like this, the bottom equation that we have, the sign of each term will change. So now tell me, so 5x minus 2x, what you're getting? 3x. 3y minus 3y becomes 0. That is equal to 41 minus 20, and you are getting 21. Got it? Now 3 times x is equal to 21, and we know that x is equal to 21 over 3, and yes, you are getting x value is equal to 7. See, I got the value of x very easily. Got it? So whenever you get same coefficient variable, try to eliminate that particular variable. That will be easy for you to solve this question. See, so I got the value of x here, that is 7. Now we have to find out the value of y. So already in the question, how many equations we have? Two equations. Now your wish, what equation you can take? You can just wish, you can just choose any one. For example, I'm taking the bottom equation that we have, 2x plus 3y is equal to 20. Now listen, I got the value of x is equal to 7, right? Now what I'll do is, see, 2 times 7, I'm going to substitute the value of x here. 2 times x, 2 times 7 plus 3y is equal to 20. 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 plus 3y is equal to 20. And we know that 3y is equal to, if I try to shift this 40 to that side, it will be 20 minus 14. Yes. Now 3y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 over 3, and I'm getting 2. Understood everybody clearly? So I got the value of y is equal to, that means for this equation I got the solution as a x equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. Did you understand? Right? X equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. That means if I put the value x as a 7 and y as a 2, definitely I'll get 41. At the same time, if I put value here x equal to 7, y equal to, definitely I'm going to get 20. So for this is how we can solve the simultaneous equation using elimination method. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Let's go to the second question. Here we have a second question. I told you already, whenever you're trying to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method, first check the coefficient of that particular variable. If it is same, obviously I told you the half job is done. It's easy to find out the value. Now in this equation also, if you see this, see the coefficient of x is different, 2 and 4. But here the coefficient of y is 4 plus 4 and minus 4. That means the numbers are same. Got it? But signs are different. Yes. So here automatically we can see that it is plus 4 and minus 4 cancels each other. So no need to subtract. Here the signs are already different. No need to subtract. Whenever you have the same coefficient, same sign, that means we have to subtract it, to change the sign, to cancel each other. Got it what I'm trying to say? But when you have same coefficient of different sign, no need to subtract it. Simply we have to add it. Definitely that particular same coefficient variable will be eliminated and we can find out the other value. See here, if I try to write the equation again, here we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. Here 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Already I told you that wherever you have the same coefficient, I can eliminate that easily, right? Okay, so now here we have plus 4 and minus 4. Already in the question we have the different sign, so I can cancel this out. Cancel this out means, tell me, I have to add these two terms, two equations. Now 2x plus 4x is 6x. It was plus 4y minus 4y, that becomes 0, right? That is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. I hope you understood everybody. No need to subtract it all because we have same coefficient of different sign. Simply we have to add it. Now if 6 times x is equal to 18, then x is equal to 18 over 6, and what I'm getting, 3. Done. The value of x easily I got it, that is 3. Now how to find out the value of y? Already I told you in the previous example, we have two equations. Take any one equation of your wish, try to substitute the value of x in that so that we can get the value of y. So for example, if I take the first equation, I have 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. Any one equation you can take, right? So for example, I've taken the first equation. I got the value of x is equal to 3. So here 2 times x, I am putting here 2 times 3 plus 4y is equal to 14. So I have to solve this and to get the value of y. What is 2 times 3? That is 6 plus 4y is equal to 40. Now 4y is equal to 14 minus 6. Then 4y is equal to 14 minus 6 means I think I'll get 8, and y is equal to 8 over 2, and yes, you are getting 8 over 4, that is equal to, I'm sorry, so y is equal to 8 over 4, that is equal to, that means what you are getting the solution, that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. I hope you understood. Whatever the value of x you will get, try to put any one of the equation of your wish, right, and get the value of y. For this case, I have taken the first equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 14. X value already I got it, that is equal to 3. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4y is equal to 14. So 4y is equal to 14 minus 6. 4y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 over 4, that is equal to, that means if I try to put the value of x3 and y2, definitely I'm going to get 14. At the same time, if I try to put the value of x equal to 3 here and for y equal to 2 here, definitely I'm going to get 4 here. Understood? Right? Let's do more questions. Let's go to the third question. Yes, we have third question now. Now question comes to your mind that we, if we have same coefficient, we understood how to eliminate. Now question comes to your mind that if we don't have same coefficient, then what we have to do? If we don't have same coefficient, then we have to balance the coefficient. What we have to do? We have to balance the coefficient. Got it? If we don't have same coefficient, then we have to balance the coefficient. How to balance? I'm trying to tell you. See, in this equation we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 26 and 3x minus y is equal to 4. So first I'll check. So here the coefficient of this x and x 2 and 3, which is different, and here also we have a coefficient of y is 4, and here no number means we know that it is 1, right? 1 times y. So here the coefficient we have -1, -1 here. Okay. Now how to solve this? Because we don't have any same coefficient, so we have to balance the coefficient. That means we have to make the coefficient equal. Okay, we have two choices. We can make the coefficient equal for x, or else we can make the coefficient of equal for the y. Now you have to understand which will be easier for you depending upon the question. For example, in this question, if you see it properly, if this y becomes 4y, in this case I'm talking about, if this y becomes 4y, that means my like coefficient for y will be same. I hope you understood, right? Now tell me, then what number should I multiply with this term so that I'll get 4y here? Definitely 4, because y is already there and we have to multiply 4, that becomes 4y. But we cannot multiply 4 to that single term. We have to multiply 4 with that whole equation. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. We cannot multiply 4 with this single term. We have to multiply 4 with this whole equation. Let me tell you how to do this. See, the first equation I'm writing again, 2x plus 4y is equal to 26. Now, can I write like this? Second equation times 4. Again, I'm saying why I'm trying to multiply 4, because I want to like make the coefficient of y same, that is equal to 4. That's why. Now, if I try to multiply 4 with this whole equation, that means each term will be multiplied with 4. Now, tell me 4 times 3x. I think you are getting 12x. We know that 4 times y, right? So it is minus 4y and is equal to 4 times 4 is equal to 60. Got it? Now, see, if I check these two equations again, definitely I got to know that we have same coefficient of y. That means I understood I have to eliminate y. And yes, we have a different sign. And see, already I told you that if you have different sign and you have the same coefficient, then no need to subtract. We simply add it to eliminate that particular variable. Now simply, what is 2x plus 12x? 14x. 4y minus 4y. 0, right, is equal to 26 plus 16. So I think you're going to get 42. Now 14 times x equal to 42, then x is equal to 42 over 14, and yes, you are getting 3. So value of x, I got what? 3. Done. Half job is done. The next thing is that we have to find the value of y. Same process. Once you got the value of y or x, whatever that you got the value, simply try to substitute that value in any of the equation you want. That two equations is given, right? Now see, two equations are given. I can take any one equation. For example, I am taking the second equation. We have 3x minus y equal to 4. Now I have got the value of x equal to 3. So can I do like this? 3 times 3, because 3 times x, right? Minus y is equal to 4. That is 9 minus y is equal to 4, right? And if I try to shift this y to this side, I hope you are getting 9 is equal to 4 plus y. And if I shift this 4 to this side, I think you are getting 9 minus 4 equal to y. And yes, you are getting y is equal to 5. Understood? All of you know, I think, how to rearrange this equation, correct? And I got the value of y is equal to 5. Then for this question, my solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. That means if I put the value of x as a 3, y is a 5 here, so definitely my total answer should be 26. At the same time, if I put x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 here, definitely I am going to get this one as a 4. Got it? Right. So let's do more questions on this. So move to the fourth question. Here we have a fourth question. And yes, it's a different type of question. Listen properly. Here we can see that the first step that we know that we have to check the coefficients. If the coefficients are different, then we have to balance the coefficient. How to do that? So already we know we have to multiply some number. Okay, so in this question, see, if you see this, I'm trying to write the question again. 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. Here we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay, now listen. The coefficient of x is here, the first equation is 3, and the second equation we have 2. And in this case, y also different, 2 and 3. Now what we should do? We have to balance the coefficient, right? So do one thing. First try to like think what you want to eliminate, x or y, your wish, doesn't matter. But here I'm trying to eliminate y, because if I manage to do what I'm trying to say is, if I try to manage to make this coefficient equal, so my sign is different, so that's why it will be easy for me to eliminate, no need to subtract and all. Got it? That's why. Now tell me, what is the coefficient to y? We have 2, the first one. Second, we have 3, right? Now see, tell me what is the LCM? I hope all of you know what is LCM. Least common multiple, or we can say lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, that you know, that is equal to 6. Understood? See, here I want to eliminate y term. I got to know that the coefficients of y are 2 and 3, right? Now first thing is that first you have to understand that I want to balance it, and I want to balance to which number. That number I want to know. That number is 6, because the LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. That means I understood that I want to make this number as 6, and I want to make this number as 6. Got it? Now tell me that in this 2, what number I should multiply that becomes 6? 3. And I know that I cannot multiply 3 to this single term. I have to multiply with this whole equations. So can I write like this? Equation 1 times 3. Got it? So 3 times 3 becomes 9x. 3 times 2 becomes 6y. And 16 3s are 48. Understood? Now in the second equation we have a 3. Then what number should I multiply to that term, so that my the coefficient of y will be 6? That is 2. Again I am saying I cannot multiply 2 only to that term, so I have to multiply the 2 with the whole equation. So second equation times 2, so I am getting 2 times 2, that is 4x, minus 2 times 3 is 6y, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. I hope everybody understood clearly. Now if you see the equations again, yes, my coefficient of y becomes same, so it is very easy to eliminate like these two numbers 6y and minus 6y, and yes, we have the different sign also, so no need to subtract, simply we have to add, and yes, it will be eliminated. Yes, so I have here 9 plus 4 is 13x, right? 6y minus 6y becomes 0. That is equal to 48 plus 4. I'm going to get 52. I hope you understood. Again, I'm saying 9x plus 4x equal to, that is equal to 13x, plus 6y minus 6y becomes 0, and 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. And what is the value of x you are getting? It is 52 over 13, and yes, I am getting x is equal to 4. See, I got the value of x. Again, to get the value of y, how many equations do you have? Two equations. See, two equations. Any one equation of your wish, take that equation, try to substitute the value that you got, the value of x equal to 4, right? So let me take the first equation, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 16. Now tell me, 3x means 3 times 4 plus 2y is equal to 16, and 3 4s are 12 plus 2y is equal to 16. And yes, if I try to move this or shift this to like 12 to that side, I think you are getting 2y is equal to 16 minus 12. 2y is equal to 16 minus 12 is 4, and y is equal to 4 over 2, and that is we are getting 2. Understood? So for this question, my solution will be x equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. That means if I try to put the value of x equal to 4 and y equal to 2, I'm going to get 16. At the same time, if I put x equal to 4 and y equal to 2, I'm going to get 2 here. Right? Now move to the next kind of question. In this question, we have two different kind of equations. The previous examples that we have taken, those two equations will be known as linear equations, because but here we have two kind of equation. If you see this first equation will be known as linear equation, and second equation will be known as non-linear equation. Can you see this? Why linear, non-linear? Because if you see the power of x equal to 1 here, see, I'm writing 2x plus y is equal to 11. Now tell me, what is the power of x? Is it 1? Which is not written, but you have to understand this is 1, right? What is the power of y? Is it 1? Yes. So this kind of equation will be known as linear equation. That means the power of the variable should be 1. But here, see, the power is not 1, definitely. So it is 2 here, it is 2 here. So this kind of equation is known as non-linear equation. Now again, the same question, how to solve this kind of question, because we did only like solving two linear equations, right? But in this case, one is linear and other one is like non-linear. So how to solve this kind of question? First step, out of these two equations, please find out which one is linear equation. So in this question, I can see this one is my linear equation. I'm just writing here that 2x plus y is equal to 11. Got it? So how many variable do you have in this equation? We have x and y. You wish you can make this equation, or you can rearrange this equation making the subject of x or y. That is your wish. Again, I'm saying first try to find out which one is linear equation. From that linear equation, try to rearrange it and make the subject of x and y. That is your wish. Okay. So for this case, I'm taking as a y as a subject, and my equation will be 11 minus 2x. Everybody understood? Right? From this equation, I'm trying to take as a subject of y, and which I got 11 minus 2x. Done. Now, what is a non-linear equation we have? 2x squared minus y squared is equal to 23. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the value of y here in this non-linear equation. See, 2x squared minus 11 minus 2x whole square is equal to 23. Understood? See, because I got the value of y from the first equation is 11 minus 2x. That's why I'm trying to substitute the value of y here, that is 11 minus 2x whole square. Now you tell me, can I write like this? 2x squared minus. Okay, I hope all of you know how to expand the double bracket, because we know that 11 minus 2x squared can be written as 11 minus 2x times 11 minus 2x, right? And if I try to expand this one, I hope all of you know 11 times 11 is 121, minus 11 times negative 2x is 22x. This is minus 2x times 11 is minus 22x, and this one will be plus 4x square, right? So here I think you're getting 121 minus 22x minus 22 becomes minus 44x plus 4x squared. Understood clearly? Now can I write this one? See, I'm putting a bracket over here and I'm writing this one, 121 minus 44x plus 4x squared is equal to 23, right? And make sure that you are not forgetting that we have a minus sign here. So if you know how to expand it with the help of minus, then you could have directly written this plus and this is minus, right? But we should better do for the next step. If I try to remove the bracket here, 2x squared minus 121, if you change the bracket, open the bracket, expand the bracket, whatever you call, so this minus minus becomes plus 44x, minus plus minus becomes minus 4x squared is equal to 23. Got it? Now, which two terms are like terms? 2x squared minus 4x squared, right? So if I subtract it, I think you are getting minus 2x squared. Now we have plus 44x. I'm trying to write it just now. Plus 44x, and we have negative or minus 121 is equal to 23. Got it? Now if I try to bring this 23 to this side, that means I'm trying to bring all the terms to do this side and trying to make it equal to 0. So now tell me what you're getting. So minus 2x squared plus 44x minus 121 minus 23 is equal to 0. Got it? Now what I'm getting, minus 2x squared plus 44x. So this becomes minus 144, because minus 121 minus 23 becomes 144 is equal to 0. See, this equation I got. If you see this properly, what kind of equation is it? It is a quadratic equation. All of you know, I hope so. This is known as quadratic equation, correct? Now I hope all of you know how to find the root of this equation, means how to find the value of x in that. Yes, we know that in quadratic equation we are going to two values of x, right? And better we should use this formula, that is the value of x I'm going to get like this, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. We have to put a square root over it over 2a, sorry. Got it? So one for plus and one for minus. Okay, in this equation what is the value of a, b and c here? So in this equation what is the value of a? Negative 2. B we have 44 and C we have negative 144. Understood? So I'm going to use the value here in the calculator. So I'm writing the equation, means the formula again, quadratic formula, minus b plus b squared minus 4ac square root over 2a, and or x is equal to minus b minus b squared minus 4ac square root over 2a. Got it? Then what is the value of b? 44. See, minus is already there. So 44 plus b squared is 44 squared minus 4 times a we have negative 2 and c we have negative 144, right? Over 2 times a. 2 times a means we have 2 times negative 2, right? And if you put this value, what you're getting? So let me check with the calculator. And yes, we have to put the square root over it. Yeah, I hope you can see this. When I put this value in the calculator, I'm getting 4. Okay. So yes, I'm getting 4x value, correct? At the same time, we have to put the same value, but here we have to take minus here. Got it? So as it is a quadratic equation, I'm going to get two values of x. So again, I'm writing minus 44 minus 44 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times negative 144. We have to take the square root over it over 2a, means 2 times negative 2. And yes, if I put negative here, let me check with the calculator. Yes, I'm getting 18 here. If you see it, when I put this value, I'm getting the value of x is 18. That means I got two values of x. One is x equal to 4 and one is x equal to 18. That means I'm going to two values of y also, because if I put x, I get one value of y, and if I put 18 instead of x, I'll get one value of y. Okay. Yes. So what is a okay? How to solve this? We have two equations in any okay. Better to put in which equation? Linear equation, right? That will be easy to solve it. Have equation again. 2x plus y is equal to 11. I'm writing here 2x plus y is equal to 11. So 2 times. So I'm taking x equal to 4 here. So 2 times 4 plus y is equal to 11. That is 8 plus y is equal to 11. And y is equal to 11 minus 8. That is 3. Got it? So one solution I got, x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. This is my one solution, because I told you here I'm going to get two solutions. See here, again I'm writing the same equation, 2x plus y equal to 11, but this time I'm going to put x equal to 18. So 2 times 18 plus y is equal to 11. 36 plus y is equal to 11, and yes, y is equal to 11 minus 36, and yes, you are going to get negative or minus 25. That means here my solution is 18 and y is equal to negative 25. So here I'm going to get two values of x and two values of y. So it is x is 4, y 3, or x equal to 18 and y equal to negative 25. This question comprises of equation which contains fraction, right? So we'll try to solve this. If you see this question properly, that y is equal to 1 over 3x minus 2, again it is given y is equal to minus 4 over 3 times x plus 3. Now see, everybody knows that this equation contains LHS and RHS, left hand side and RHS, right hand side, right? LHS is equal to RHS. I have two equations here. Here LHS is equal to LHS, and definitely RHS should be equal to RHS, right? See, y is equal to y, that means I can say RHS is equal to RHS. So can I write like this? 1 over 3x minus 2 is equal to minus 4 over 3x plus 3. Easy. Again I'm saying LHS is equal to LHS, and yes, right hand side is equal to right hand side. So I have written like this. Now I will try to bring all the x terms to one side. If I bring this minus 4 over 3 to this side, I hope I'll get like this: 1 over 3x minus 2 plus 4 over 3x is equal to 3. Got it? Now if I take this minus 2 to this side, okay, now tell me, are you getting like this? 1 over 3 times x plus 4 over 3 times x is equal to 3 plus 2. Got it? Now, so if I try to add these two fractions, we know what is 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3, because two terms are like terms. We know that contains same variable. So 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3. So can't we write 1 plus 4 over 3? Right? If I try to add these two fractions, right, and we have a x outside, so that is 3 plus 2. Got it? So this one I'm getting 5 over 3 times x, and 3 plus 2 equal to 5, right? And I want to find the value of x here. So if I take 5x here only, that means I have to shift this 5 over 3 this side, and we know that it will be divided, so that I'm getting 3 over 5 will be multiplied with this. Again I'm saying, see, 3 is present in the denominator. If I try to shift this to this side, it will be placed in the numerator, 5 will come to the denominator. So x is equal to, if I try to solve this, so 5 get cancelled. I think you are getting x is equal to 3. Got it? I'm getting the value of x is equal to 3. Then how to find the value of y? Simple. Take your wish, any one equation, put the value of x, get the value of y. For example, I'm taking the first equation, that is 1 over 3x minus 2. So y is equal to 1 over 3, x we have 3 minus 2, and y is equal to 3 times 3. You can cancel this off and see, because this becomes what? 1. So 1 minus 2, and yes, I am getting 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Understood everybody clearly? This one again I'm saying y is equal to 1 over 3x minus 2. So instead of x, as I got the value of x equal to 3, so 1 over 3 times 3, that is, 3 times 3 cancels, so I'm getting 1. So 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So here my solution will be x equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Right? I hope all of you understood how to solve simultaneous equation. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification for my further videos. Thank you so much.